What's up, guys? So this past week was my 5-year anniversary with my beautiful girlfriend Shauna, and we decided to celebrate by heading out to Las Vegas. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, this was not my most fit moment. I definitely ate a lot while I was out there, but I used a special technique that I use when I'm in situations like this, and I call it fasting and feasting. So in order to do the feasting that I did in Vegas, I went out there and I fasted for 12 hours at a time. Then I would eat once a day, and then I would get some high intensity workouts in. Now these aren't like super crazy, like out of your mind workouts or nothing like that. They're simple hotel workouts that I do when I'm out, and I use whatever I have available to me. We were staying at the Cosmopolitan in Las Vegas, so great hotel, by the way, and I'm going to show you a really cool way of getting a room on the cheap, like a really awesome room on the cheap. I got a room for I think like 86 bucks a night, which at the Cosmo is no joke. That's a steal. That's a steal. But what I ate here, like I said, it's not the most healthy thing in the world. But I was in Vegas. I was on my anniversary. It was a special occasion. So I wanted to show you this trip. It was pretty cool. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, I don't drink. I had one drink the whole time I was there. It was one of those specialty cocktails that they have there at the Chandelier Lounge. So you're not going to see some kind of crazy party rage kind of thing going on, but it's the way I do Vegas. It's how I have fun. I'm more interested in eating good food, spending time with my lady and things like that. And there'll be some cool tips on how to save money, how to have a semi-healthy vacation, not like a crazy healthy vacation, and have a good time while you're at it. So let's get into it. This ain't a fitness video. This is just gonna be a full day eating video, and I'm gonna try and stick in the parameters of, I'm just gonna cheat. That's what's gonna happen, right?
I'm gonna eat whatever I want.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen. Getting it going. All right, coming off of a fast. Like, I think I haven't eaten since
at least 12 hours.
Since last night, yeah.
Yeah.
And it's like, it's almost 2. It's been way more than 12 hours. So we're gonna go to the Wicked Spoon Cafe, or Wicked Spoon Buffet. All we can eat. It's supposed to be one of the best buffets in Vegas. Expensive. All right, so what you're gonna notice on this meal is that I actually stayed pretty keto. Not totally keto, but pretty keto. I started off with some meat and cheese, classic buffet items. Move on to some shrimp. Notice there's some bone marrow up in the upper right hand corner. That stuff is absolutely delicious. Had a shrimp cake on top with some poke. And then I moved on to the good old beef. They had a little like Brazilian carvery area over there. This buffet was outstanding. I highly suggest you check it out whenever you visit Vegas. Okay, like I said, I don't normally drink, and please do not pull my man card for this, but that is a pretty girly drink there, though there is scotch in it. That's at the Chandelier Bar in the Cosmopolitan. So the next day I went and I did a little bit of a high intensity workout with Shauna. We just did some speed biking on that erg right there, and that was 90 seconds of speed biking followed by 1 minute of kettlebell cleans followed by a thruster. And this was a killer. Did this for 5 rounds, and by the end of it I was really good and ready to eat. But first, I want to show you our room.
You guys know, like, I'm not a big spender or nothing like that, and you know, I don't try to ball or nothing. But when I see a good deal, I go for that. I go for that thing. And Hotwire.com. If you're ever staying in Vegas on a Sunday, they have like a lot of specials for the 5-star hotels for really cheap. So I got this room for, I think it was $84. All right, we're at the Cosmopolitan. About to show you this room real quick. What do you think? It's pretty. It's
amazing.
It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. She's liking it. She's liking the fact that I'm thrifty, and that I'm judicious, and that I do all this stuff. So
you need to play you need to play the little Dickie song, spending money or something.
Spend that money, or no, what is that?
Save that money.
Save that money. Yeah. So we're gonna take you on a tour real quick. So I'll let Shauna do it.
Here we have the sitting room. We have a couch. We have a lovely naked woman. We have a business area for Christopher. Closet. Mirror. Check out this bathroom.
The bathroom.
Bathroom. Follow me. And then our bathtub has a view. Oh, this is the shower. And then our bathtub has a view of the Strip. And then coming into that is the bedroom over here.
So, but that's a tub.
Yes.
That's a tub. We're gonna get in the tub. So, I'll show you guys what this looks like in that tub. So we're in the tub here, and it goes out.
And over here is the bedroom.
The bedroom. That's pretty cool. And then we got it out here. All kinds of stuff. And then I'm just gonna climb over this thing. Oh!
And then we have the pool party. We'll dance to our own pool party out here.
Alright, so we've been fasting since that big meal we had yesterday. And we're gonna go get some food. Did the mob museum. What'd you think?
It was awesome. It's really cool.
Yeah, I highly suggest doing the law enforcement. What was it? Use of force.
Use of force. Yeah.
Check out the dead body room. So that was the American Mob Museum, and I couldn't film in there, but it was an awesome museum, and one of the best museums I've been in. Talks about the American Mafia, but they have this interactive experience in there where you can pretend to be a police officer, and they give you weapons, and you have to work through live situations, and it just talks about how hard it is to be a police officer and make split-second decisions and not shoot anybody and keep yourself safe as well. So huge respect to all the police officers out there. After that, we went down to the container park. This place is amazing as well. They have a lot of awesome things for adults to play around with. You have to be 21 and over to get in after 9 p.m. Then I came around to this little gem. This is the Heart Attack Grill on the old Strip, and the theme is having a heart attack, and they give all the customers patience gowns, and they're very unapologetic about the amount of calories there. They have a 10,000 calorie burger. Didn't get a chance to eat here this time, but next time I come to Vegas, I am definitely going to eat there. Our Vegas trip, we're pretty boring, but
No, we had a lot of good food and we had fun.
we had a lot of fun. Vegas, done.